Hi guys, good morning. Today is I think the 7th of January, and we are going for the FCCCI Mumbai rally. We're taking both my cars. One is the 1995 S1 that you can see right here, and I'm also taking the 94 or 93 Padmini Deluxe BE model. This is my friend Sam.
Hello.
He also has a 137D, but today we are taking both of my cars only. So next time we'll hopefully see Sam's car.
Sure.
So Sam and I woke up quite early in the morning to clean the cars. As you can see, he's doing that right now. And so now, yeah, let's get right into it.